Hello guys, welcome to the new sewing hope. In today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to cut a trouser. Like this is my fabric. Remember, I'm also cutting with the wrong side, and here is the wrong side, my here is the right side. So here with me, with my piece of chalk, my scissors, and also a cutting rule. Please, if you're a new viewer, you are welcome to my channel. Please click the subscribe button. It's actually free. You're not going to pay for it, just so that you get notified on my new videos. And if you're also returning video, you're also welcome. Now here is the list of the measurement that you will be working with. The waist is 34 actually, while the length of the trouser is 37, while the laps is 22, while the ankle, that's some people do call it down actually, but I do make use of ankle, is 12. Now let's get to the video. I would, oh man, shit. Sorry guys, I would love to make a little remark actually, because in this fabric actually there are some right up here actually, so I'm going to like give a brief information about it. So in this thing now, we have number 5 here now, and there are some things written here actually, but okay, I don't know. Okay, now when you're cutting a trouser, the front side of it, make sure that the letters in it is actually at your right hand side, because if you're actually facing it the left hand side, it will actually give you a wrong distance. If person sees the cloth, that person will definitely know that it's an amateur that actually sew the clothes. Now let's get to the video. Remember, I'm working with waist 34. Now guys, in this waist 34 I'll be making use of, like, I'm going to measure 11 actually in the waist region. That's my right hand side. Now remember, I'm cutting with the wrong side. This is 11 here. Now I'll mark a little bit something here. Now let's cut the flap measurement. Remember that you also stop at the place that you mark. Now remember, here is my 9. Now I'm also going to give it a little mark here, as you can see. Now see what I'm going to do again. Here, that's the pocket side of it. I'm also going to measure 9. I'm also going to measure 9 here. Have you seen it? Now remember, here now, from here now to here, now, from here now to here is 11. So after my measurement is 9 here, after from here now to here is 9, and here from here to here is 9. I'm also going to measure 11 here again, so as to get the accurate measurement of the waist. Remember, the waist that you are working with is 34. Now see the 11 here again. Now I'm also going to mark here again. Now for the sitting, I'm going to mark 2.5. Remember, it's an adult trouser. See, it's 2.5. Then from here now to here, it's 11, as you can see in this video. Remember, here is 2.5. Now let's get the length of the trouser. Remember, I said this 37. Now I've gotten my 37 here actually. Let me straighten my tape. Sorry guys, I'm the person doing the video alone, so don't get this thing, but I promise you, this is the video that you have been looking for this while. This is the 37. Remember, it's at the edge of the trouser here. Now this is where it's stopping. This is my 37 here. This is my 37. Then I'll add an extra 1.5 inch. Remember, see the half here. I'm adding an extra 1.5 inch here. Remember, here is 37. I'm adding an extra 1/2 inch. Have you seen it? I've added an extra 1/2. Then the answer that you will be making use of is actually 12 inch. Remember, this is measurement here, 12. This is 12 here. Then you mark it out 12. But if there are people do make a lot of mistake here now. Remember, it's 12. Then if you are trimming, this is an English mouth. This thing now, when cutting trouser, we do cut it off. If you are actually going to make use of 6 here now, and you cut out somewhere here now, because this is the English mouth now, this is where it stopped, and you cut it out. Remember, you have actually shorted this thing. If you are done with the sewing, it won't give you the accurate measurement. So if you are going to do something like this now, what you have to do is you take your tape. I'm not going to tell you guys because some English mouth are small, why some are big. See what you are going to do here now. Remember, at the top, the English mouth now, make sure that your tape, your 6, if actually you are working with 13 this thing, your ankle is 13, you make it 6.5. Remember, it's from, I'm measuring from after this English mouth. Is after this English mouth, but the measurement that you are working with is 12. So I'm going to make it 12. That's 6 now. Then if you're also working with 14, you also shift it a bit here. That's total of 7. Remember, it's after this English mouth that you start your measurements, but I'm going to be making use of 6 because the measurement that we have is 12. Now I'll mark my chalk here. Listen, it's 6. So the next thing that we are going to do now is we are going to be making use of our rule. I also have it here. So here is my rule. More is stressful, but because of you guys, I'm actually doing this video. Now, this is the ankle measurement here. Now, remember, here is the this thing. Remember, I measured 2.5 here, 2.5. So we are going to be starting from here now, this chopped area here to here. We are going to, although guys, I'm going to hold the fabric and draw the line, but I'll show you guys when I'm done. So as you can see, we have successfully drew the line from here now to here actually. So the next place that we are going to be ruling is from here now to here, then from here now to here, from here now to here, then from here now to here. Remember, here I measured 2.5. I have also written it here, 2.5. So we have successfully drew the line from here now to here. Remember, I measured 9. Then here there is no need drawing anything here actually. Then see the next thing now that we are going to do now. Here now, you measure from here now to here 2, and so here now, see my 2, so as to get that curve at the flap region. Remember, I measured 2. This is what we have gotten so far. So guys, now let me show you guys something here now. Remember, here is the pocket side. Our pocket, because this is actually an adult trouser, so the pocket is usually 7 inch. So I'm going to mark it out here. Remember, at this pocket side, we know they cut out this English mouth. But if you want to cut it out, now you sabi o. Then here now, we go measure 2.5. Remember here, from here now to here, it's 7 inch. Then from here now to here is 2.5. Then you draw. So guys, I've actually drawn the line. Remember, when you are cutting, like when you are sewing now, you cut from here now to here. Make sure you pass this English mouth, and then from here now is 2.5. That this is actually where you place your paper stay. Now remember, I measured 7 here. Why here 2.5 instead? See the next I'm going to do now. At this trouser now, I'm going to like start from this edge and give it a curve, so that I will remove this English mouth when I'm cutting. See, that sha. I'm done with the curving. Remember, it's from here that I gave it a little curve here. Now this place that you actually draw a line. Then at the center of it, you measure out 1.5 so as to get your flap. Now you start from here. Some people do call it shaping. Now guys, see what we have gotten so far. Guys. See what we have gotten so far. Remember, I measured there. That was 1.5. Now see the shocking something then. Remember, I told the guys that we'll be working with a flap of 11. Now see it here. I've actually gotten the 11 here. See it here, guys. I've actually gotten the flap of 11. That's from here now to here. It's 11. That's where my lap is. Our lap is actually 22. Let me show you guys before you think that I'm sitting. I'm working with a lap of 22. Why? And now 11 plus 11, it will give you 22. Now we are done with the front of the trouser. Now let me cut it. Now we are done with the. Remember, I cut at the back of the jaw so that you can see what I actually did. This table running, that's why I fitted the trouser a little bit. Now this is what I'm cutting at the front, for the front of the trouser. Now I'm going to show you guys how to cut the back. And this is the other part of the trouser. There is no much this thing here. So what we are going to do is just we are going to be placing the front of the trouser here. We are going to be placing it here. There is no much measurement here. Remember, this is the leg side of it. Remember, it's also my right hand side. Just trim it out so that you get perfect measurement. Now we are going to trim it here. This way now. I'm going to cut it out with my scissors to here. Now this is the result that we have gotten. I've actually cut it out. I'll be making use of this as my flap. That's where I'll fix the zip and the rest of it. I'm going to trim it to my desired shape or size. So this is my desired size. I'm going to make use of this size. The next thing that you are going to do is just this front side of the trouser. You then shift it. Here now I'll be like getting like 2 inch. This other one is just for weaving. This is my 2 inch here. I'm going to trim here out, but I'll be making this is just the extra allowance at the back of the trouser. While at this end I'll be having 2.5. That's from here now to here now. I'll be having 2.5. Now see the next thing. after the measurement, like I got 2.5. Remember the down is 2, why here is 2.5, why here now? Although I'm not going to make it that long. Some people do make it 1.5 inch, but I'm going to be making it 1/4. I'm going to make use of 1/4 as the second line. I've actually showed you guys how to read the tape measuring tape, so if you are not watching the video, check my channel for the video. This is my 1/4 now. I'm going to shape here now to my desired size. Just watch how I do it. My line now will be touching here. Then I'm going to stop it here at this edge. Now I'm going to cut it out. Remember, let me show you guys one trick here now. When I'm cutting this side out I'm going to raise here up a bit, and I'll be cutting it here. Like I'll make it to be straight because it's a male trouser. Now even a female, you could give them the hip shape now. If I actually cut it, it won't give me that perfect size that I'm actually sewing. That's 34. Now it's give me like 35, 36. But no, I'm going to make it here. Now from here, now from this 1/4, I'm going to draw my line. No, if possible, make use of your rule so that you see the result that I've gotten. I started from here now. So that's how I'm going to cut it. Remember, I told you guys I'm going to cut here. I won't touch this side because this is the extra allowance for the sewing. While here now, I also cut at the back of the trouser and here. Remember, see guys, I told you guys I'm going to be stopping here now. So I'm now going to like cut here straight. See guys. Remember, I told you guys that I'm going to be raising here up. Hey, more. See, I'm actually done with the cutting. Actually, it's straight. Now, remember, I told you guys that I'll be this side now. No follow. I give an extra thing there. So, guys, I'll be showing you guys the result that I've gotten so far. This is how the back side of the trouser looks like. Actually, how it looks like, guys. It's actually how it looks like. Now this is how the front side of the trouser actually looks like. Now see it here. Now this is my flap that I cut out. Now guys, please let me beg you for the last time, if you really like and enjoyed this my particular video, please click the subscribe button. I beg you, click the subscribe button so that I'll be happy and you also be enjoying the more videos that I'll be making. Thank you guys for watching my video. Bye. It's your boy Chichku.